our ShiftCam. And we've made it our mission to take mobile photography to the next level. The new iPhone 11 and 11 Pro introduced revolutionary upgrades to its camera. So we completely reimagined our case to match the new pedigree and make the best even better. ShiftCam adds 5 high-quality crystal clear lenses for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, and 3 for the iPhone 11. Introducing the ShiftCam multi-lens case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Our most advanced, most convenient, and most durable lens set yet. No more fumbling around with lenses and mounts. ShiftCam's patented sliding system makes it easy to switch lenses with just one hand. Simply slide to shift. Always be ready for the perfect shot in a moment's notice. The 4x telephoto for the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max will let you zoom optically, not digitally, and bring what's far near without sacrificing quality. Lastly, the fisheye lens will give you a fun perspective that completely transforms your shots. The circular polarizer lens is specifically designed to decrease glare, eliminate reflections, and increase contrast for the ultra-wide camera. With the 10x and 20x macro lenses, you'll unleash a whole new world invisible to the naked eye. The intricate details of flora, fauna, and microscopic textures are revealed with these phenomenally sharp lenses. We're also upgrading your selfie game. The multi-lens case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and Pro Max includes a front-facing lens adapter for our Pro Series single lenses, so you can be ready for those epic selfies, or even slow-fies. The new multi-lens case is also compatible with all our Pro Series single lenses, so you can take even higher quality images with unparalleled clarity and sharpness on an iPhone. We upgraded the protection. The protective mil-spec drop-proof case and lens cover ensures you're ready for any adventure or fumble. Didn't upgrade to the 11? No problem. ShiftCam's got you covered. We've been making multi-lens cases since the iPhone 7 and have every model ready in stock. Just for this campaign, we're offering an exclusive crowdfunding discount on all of them. Whether you're exploring a new city or your backyard, traveling to faraway lands, or just spending time with friends and family, ShiftCam will allow you to capture the world around you in totally new perspectives and take your iPhone photography to a whole new level.
It's a full-body fitness gym that fits in a box and ships right to your door. The assembly takes only seconds. Find a flat surface anywhere in your home and you're ready to roll. Ultra wide wheel with built-in resistance bolsters each of your high-strength moves. Multi-layer structure brings you the best combo of easy use and noiseless workout. Inside moisture-wicking material prevents absorption of water and sweat. High-grade TPE surface enhances stability to safely stretch at any direction. The hand grips have an ergonomic, streamlined design. The non-slip threads and thumb grooves add stability for sculpting your abs, shoulders, arms, and specifically target those tough to hit obliques. Graviton Ab Wheel Pro is totally safe for exercises with an auto rebound system and smart brake that protects you during workouts. Thanks to a multi-layer ultra wide wheel, it's also safe on any home surfaces while providing a mute, damage-free and most effective workout experience. Providing smart resistance for optimized abdominal, shoulder, and arm exercises. The internal machine is engined with coil resistance steel for outstanding resistance when pushing up and smooth rebound assistance when rolling back.